And now, ladies and gentlemen, we will be performing a selection from the Cancer Talks page entitled Don't Sneeze on the Pumpkin Pie.
Open the door and put on the mask, you'll find the relatives there.
Welcome.
They say I am loved and try to hug, but germs are in the air. Open the door and put on the mask, how red are the children's eyes? They're wiping their nose on all their clothes, don't sneeze on the pumpkin pie. Open the door and put on the mask, my body is not immune. They hand me a drink with liquor, I think I won't be drinking soon. Open the door and put on the mask, they really don't realize bacteria poses a deadly blow, don't sneeze on the pumpkin pie. Open the door and put on the mask, don't sneeze on the pumpkin pie.
He said you need a bone marrow biopsy, and let me tell you, it wasn't much fun.